What made you smile today? Listen. I don't know exactly where they are. Oh wait, there's one right there. Do you see it? One flew away. Oh, two flew away. Oh, hey, there we go. Oh, they're flying away now. I'm sorry. Okay, I guess it's time for me to go. So one of the reasons why we enjoy listening to the birds, besides it sounds really pretty, and if you actually listen to them, they talk. They'll make different noises, and that's how they talk. Humans do the same thing. We just call it words. But when there's noise going around, especially like you're in a jungle or in a forest, that means it's safe. Ever notice that when it gets super quiet, that your instincts kick in and it's time to go? That's why humans enjoy listening to the birds, because it tells us that we're safe. Yeah, so next time you go listen to birds, just tell yourself, I'm in a safe place right now. What made you smile today?